What's up, YouTube? Okay, so you see this MacBook Air over here. I'll show you the unboxing in a minute. I had to hustle all the way to Manhattan, and they had one color in one store, and I went straight after work to get it just so that I can show it to you guys today. Okay, so I actually got this MacBook for just $580. I'll show you that in a second, how I did that. But first, here, let's get to the unboxing. So, let's see it. There we go. Gotta be very careful with these things. Now, I got this MacBook for very, very cheap comparing to their stupid retail. If you're gonna buy an Apple product, I definitely recommend not paying retail because there are better ways to do it, and there's actually still some time to get some really good savings on this, so I wouldn't wait too long after watching this video. I'll leave everything in the description so you can find out exactly how I did it and what you could replicate. Alright, should be enough on the plastic. And let's open this thing. Don't normally buy Apple, but the chip on this thing might make up for it, so let's check it out. Okay, so here it is. Let's put this knife aside and let's get to the unboxing. Alright. Okay, so it's a little bit of a tight grip, but you don't want to drop your whole MacBook because it's not a good idea to break your brand new $1,000 device. Even if it only did cost you $580. There we go. First ever MacBook. Only had the gold in stock. I personally think it looks a little rose gold, but still a nice color, and you can always swap it out if need be. But I don't think I'm going to really need to do that. There you go. Gotta say, very nice looking device. Just the outside. Not so light for something called the Air, but whatever, I'm saying it's still a nice little laptop. Curve size, okay. Let's see it now. I'm gonna lay it down because I don't want to drop this thing. There we go. Okay, that sound was pretty cool, I gotta admit. Okay, so here's the screen. It's loading up. And I guess this is a screen protector. Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay, I gotta say, that is a nice looking device. Okay, so since I got it last night, that's why I had the laptop beforehand. And I'm actually editing this video using the MacBook Air. So the graphics are actually pretty good. I'm saying for integrated graphics, so far all I had before was a Surface laptop, and that one didn't work too well. So the fact that it's even working at all is pretty good. The new DaVinci Resolve, completely free, works pretty well with it. It's integrated with the new Mac chip to an extent, so it actually works pretty well. And you don't have to spend $300 on iMovie Pro X, whatever. You're good. Okay, so the way I actually got for $580 was through stacking a few things. So what was the first thing I did? Well, I still have my college student education discount, so that right away takes the price from $1,000 plus tax of like $90 down to like, let's say $980, yeah? So now we're at $980, fine, still well over $580, but sounds good. Okay, so next, this one might sound a little like cheating, but I got a new credit card that gets me $200 off, which I was getting anyway, so it's not really, so not everyone can do this, but theoretically get your own credit card if you want to, but that's the most complicated ones. Those are the ones that are more selective. The rest of them, everyone else can do. Okay, so what was the next thing? Okay, so I got Target gift cards. Target, right now, until the 28th, I don't know when it ends exactly, but till the end of the 28th, you can get Apple gift cards for 20% back with the Target gift card. As in, you buy a $100 Apple gift card, you get a $20 Target gift card back. So this is actually really useful if you want to buy a retail Apple product, since Apple charges a lot. And actually, as a bonus, if you want to wait to use these until Friday, tomorrow, which is probably already be Friday by the time this video is up. So you guys are probably eligible. You get another $50 gift card or something like that, which isn't great, but it's nice to get an extra $50 Apple gift card. I'm saying I'll take it. This will only be able to be used, though, if you don't have education pricing. If you get education pricing, then just take the education pricing. $100 education discount is better than a $50 gift card. Okay, fine. So that was another $160. Now, I can only get 8 gift cards because Apple only lets you use 8 gift cards on the order. So unless you're planning on saving the gift cards, don't buy more than 8. Okay, so what I do next. So with the gift cards, I actually got 10% back in cash back because I used a 10% cash back when I ordered the gift cards. So that's an extra $60. Now, you might be saying, hey, wait. 10% back of 800 is 80. You're right. I only realized 2 gift cards in, like, wait, I can get cash back. So, whatever. I got $60 cash back. I'm okay with that. Okay, so what do I do next? So that was, what do we have already? I got the education discount, credit card, gift cards, and cash back. Okay, that's it. Add those all together. You will get a total around $580, something like that. And then I went and bought the laptop. Again, I couldn't find any in stock. If there's any by you, maybe go for it now because shipping was showing us 1 to 2 weeks. So I couldn't wait 1 to 2 weeks to get this video out. And I need the laptop to work. I couldn't do anything. I have a Samsung tablet. It's very nice, but it's not really good for work. I needed a laptop. So that's what I needed. And I was already locked in with those Apple gift cards. So you gotta do what you gotta do. So I hustled out, got it, and now I have it before you today. Okay, so if you guys would like to get the gift cards, the Target gift cards, I'll leave a link down below. Maybe even the cashback place I use, if you can use them too. I haven't had the best experience totally with them. I was actually going to cancel, but I figured I might as well try with this, and it worked. So they did that, but they actually cost money per month, so I wouldn't necessarily go with that. But the gift cards thing, anyone can get the Target gift cards, and you'll get $20 in Target back for each gift card, and that's basically cash since they all upload to your account. So it's not like you have to go collect every $20 gift card. They're all in your account automatically. I can buy whatever I want. Maybe a new pair of AirPod Pros. Probably not since I don't love AirPod Pros. But that's something you could do. Okay, so if you liked the video, please leave a like and a sub and stay posted for more content. Alright, see you in the next one.